So guys, as right now I'm short selling Bharti Airtel now in the market level around 850 to 81 levels, 851 levels. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I just selected the stock from the Nifty 50 list. Okay, so here is a screenshot of it. So this is where I selected the stock and I've short sold this as it has touched one of the main resistance level, which is around 857 to 858. Okay, so you can see a long wick has been formed and it has touched one of the resistance level, and from there it is starting to come down. You can see it is not showing much of a more buyers potential here, so the market is minus 0.11% down, so that's why I decided to go short selling. Okay, so this is the logic why I selected the Bharti Airtel and I've gone short selling. So if it has gone past 858 I would have bought it, but 858 has touched as a resistance here, so that's why I've short sold. And also I'm expecting target about 6 to 7 points, which is almost close to 0.90 to 1% of a target. So let's see how it will perform. So based on the market movement and how the market trend continues, I'll design my exit. Okay, so let's wait for it, guys. Okay, so anyway we are short sold now and we are still waiting for it. The stock is still at the place where we are short sold, so it's at the same levels. Low made as of now is 849 itself. Okay, so not much of a movement here, as you guys can see. So yes, let's wait for some movement to happen and I shall exit at 6 to 7 points target is what my view is on Bharti Airtel. So market is trading around 18,470. Okay, and if you guys are new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make a consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support plus live market guidance to make consistent profit in intraday trading. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. So the stock is now trading around 851, if you guys can see. So it is bit of a range bound right now, if you guys can see. So it's not much of a movement here. So let's wait for that breakout to happen around 849. So yes, 849 breakout has been now given. So the low made is 848.70 somewhere. So yes, now I can expect some of the quick movement to happen if the stock can come down. Okay, so guys, yes, now you can observe the live trade how the stock will perform, and once I take my exit, I'll just update you guys. So until that, you can see the live trade now. So guys, if you guys can see, the Bharti Airtel has made a low of 841.80, and I took my exit somewhere over 842, and this was the profit what I was able to book in the today's trade of Bharti Airtel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.